Let's make the Royal Rum and Coke from Pusser's Rum. The Royal Rum and Coke is Pusser's Rum's version of a rum and cola. Note that there are two closely related drinks. There's the rum and cola and the Cuba Libre. Rum and cola has rum and cola. Cuba Libre has rum, cola, and lime juice. This one does not call for lime juice, but there is a little bit of overlap in these drinks because the garnish is a lime. So some of that juice is going to get in your glass and there's going to be a little bit of lime taste in there, which is great. But in that case, is it a Cuba Libre at that point? I'll let you be the judge. Note that I do have videos on the Cuba Libre and the rum and cola here on the channel. Links to those will be down below if you'd like to check them out. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the Royal Rum and Coke, you really should be using Pusser's Rum Blue Label rum. If you want to use another rum to make a rum and coke, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the Royal Rum and Coke. A note on the cola. This drink does specifically call for Coca-Cola. I'm going to be using Mexican Coca-Cola. You can use a Coca-Cola of your choice. If you want to use a different cola, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the official Pusser's Rum Royal Rum and Coke. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and the first thing I'm going to do is fill my glass with ice, and the glass is a highball or Collins glass. Next, I'm going to put 2 ounces of my Pusser's Rum into the glass. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Top it with 4 to 6 ounces of your Coca-Cola. 4 to 6 ounces is 120 to 180. I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to top. Milliliters, that is, 120 to 180 milliliters. Garnish is a lime wedge. This one does not say to squeeze, so I'm not going to squeeze it. I am going to add a straw though, even though the instructions don't say that. And there you have it, the Royal Rum and Coke. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite rum to drink with cola? And what's your favorite cola to drink with rum? So 2 questions. Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. All you have to do is contact me through any of the social media links down below. You can have a t-shirt. While you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.